Hey bosses, it's Nina, and I have been going crazy with IG stories, so I thought I'd take out some time to give you five, or is it six? I think I did a bonus one for you. I'll go ahead and give you some hacks on how to use IG stories. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. My handle is sociallynina. All right, let's go.
So the first tip I'm going to teach you is how to add a solid background color to your Instagram stories. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the home button in your bottom left-hand corner. Then I'm going to go up to the stories button in your top left. And then I'm going to just take a picture of whatever. This is my wall. Okay. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to do is select the paintbrush icon in the top right-hand corner. Then you select your color and then you press and hold on the screen. Now this takes some getting used to. The first couple times I could not do it, but just practice. Don't touch anything else, just kind of press and hold. So this next hack is only available, I believe, for Android users. I don't think you could do this on iPhone, so I'm sorry. But if you have the Gboard or Google keyboard installed, you can actually add any kind of Gifs that's available. So I'm going to click on the A in the top right hand corner to start typing something, and notice I have my Gboard here, and so when I click on the G there, you can see GIF. So I'm going to go ahead and click on GIF, and if I want to type in good morning or Beychella, right? Now I have better Gifs, not just the ones that are offered by IG. The next trick is something that used to work in Snapchat and also works in Instagram now. You can select any color of the rainbow that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the A in the top right hand corner. And then instead of just selecting the color like I normally do, I'm actually going to hold my finger down. And then I am going to move it to actually select which color I want. Now, if you want to take it a step further, what you can do is make this gradient text. So that's a little bit harder, but you're basically going to use two fingers. You use one finger first, you click in it, and then you're going to click on the little blue ball and select everything. And then what you're going to do is as you move the left one, left-hand corner at the bottom, towards your right. So I'm going to move it over towards my right. So it's going to do that. What I'm going to do on my colors is I'm going to select and move my colors at the same time. Now this is hard. You can do a gradient just going up, or you can do multiple colors. So I'm just going to go from the bottom to the top. Started from the bottom, now we're here. So let's find a cute color to start with though. Okay, so we'll start here. So I'm going to move. I have my right hand clicking on the colors, and my left hand, I'm going to start moving slowly up. See, I told you it's hard. So I'm going to slowly move it as I'm moving this. Okay. So I was trying to go straight up, but my nails are pretty long right now, so they overlapped. I had to move to the side. But this is really, really cool. And what you can do is if you want, you can actually do the same text, copy and paste, and put another color behind it, like maybe black. I'll go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and select all, copy, and then let's do another one. I'll just do paste. Let's actually select it, select all, make it black. And so I can put it either in front, or let's go ahead and move this one in front. And so you have a little shadow now. Okay, our final hack or trick or tip or whatever you want to call it is how to add quizzes. It's a new feature, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the little square face, whatever it is. I'm going to click on that, and you'll notice that there's a quiz there. So I'm going to click on quiz, and basically what you're going to do is ask a question. So this can be which, and actually I asked this the other day. We'll shorten it. What stat does YouTube care about most? And then so you can put subscribers, right? You can say engagement. You can say, we'll just go ahead and put the answer here, which is watch time. So what you're going to want to do is now you're going to want to click on watch time. So Instagram knows that's the actual answer. Next thing you're going to do is at the top, you'll see the little rainbow thingamabobber. You're going to click on that until you get the color that you want. They have some pretty cute colors. I'll go ahead and leave it there. And then you can move it to the area that you like. Make sure you don't leave it all the way to the right or to the left or to the right. Because if you leave it too close to the edge, when someone's trying to take your quiz, it might accidentally move it to the next or to the previous story. But that's it. Once you do that, people will take their quiz and they'll see the answers after. And yeah. So those are a few hacks. If you love Instagram and you love to have some more tips and tricks, just let me know. I noticed that my top viewed videos, which are over 90,000. I have one that's over 100,000, but they all have to do with Instagram. So yeah.